ये जो खुशी थी ना गदर 2 के रिलीज की, we could see every member of your family. I saw how lovely Isha put that screening up and all of you all came together. It must be so lovely to sort of have everybody celebrating what the movie and you have tried to do, you know.
I know it is. It is. I mean, obviously, there were lots of pain and agony beforehand. I have gone through a lot of processes and everything. But मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ पेन एंड एग्नी ऐसे चली जाती है, खुशियाँ कैसे आ जाती है, आदमी भूल भी जाता क्या पेन था क्या एग्नी थी. It just takes over you and you forget all those things. एंड कितनी बार मैं सोचता हूँ मुझे पता भी नहीं मैं कल सोया था आज उठा हूँ क्या हो गया. So I just feel that God has been really kind, and this film, when it was releasing a day or two, I really felt as if God was within me. I had gone into such of a lot of multiple emotions where I was crying and I was laughing, and people around me thought I'm drunk, I'm drinking. I was telling everyone, no, bhai, I'm just feeling high because something is happening to me. What I have no idea. I just can feel that. I feel God is there with me, and really, I'm the blessed one.
Like, the reason I brought up Isha also is because your father was so proud, you know, when he put that out on social media for everyone. I think it must be such a beautiful moment because, you know, relationships are complicated. What did you think of that?
Definitely it is, you see, because there were years back when we all used to think, you know, life has to be like this, we have to follow this tradition, we should not do this is wrong, this is right, this is wrong, this is right. But when you start into your life, we are brought with that thing, and there's a point comes where you don't want to be wrong, but things start going wrong.
Yeah.
Things change, yeah, they change. Then you have to adapt yourself to that, you know. That's why we say films are fairy tales, life is not so. So that's why we enjoy films, because we know life is not like that. And we want the life to be like that. But still the beauty is in the life is in such a way when you accept it the way it is and not regret about it. If things have gone, but don't hate it. Don't let go of that negative energy and be positive and accept it. I mean, there's nothing now. पहले हम सोच भी नहीं सकते थे कि हर शादी जो होती थी वो एक ही कास्ट एक ही उसी में होती थी. अब वो ज़माना ही बदल गया है. You know, and I believe in that because मैं देखा मैंने कितनों over the years, उसकी वजह से कितनी शादियाँ नहीं हो पाती थी बेचारी लड़कियों की, because उस कास्ट में नहीं मिल रहा, वहाँ पे ये नहीं मिल रहा. And I used to get so angry about it. I've seen it with quite a lot of my cousins and here and there, and I used to feel that's not fair. It's not fair.
It's not fair.
But now the changeover on the good side is happening, which I feel is so good, because anybody can be with anyone and there's no kind of a restriction, because why should there be any restriction for existence in life?
And for love.
And love. That love is what basically a man is living for. A human being is living for. And that's why it is accepting it. It's just because क्या हो जाता है कहीं जो भी relation जो भी होते हैं, then unfortunately I have nothing but media से फिर वो because obviously media उठना चाहता है तो उसकी गंदगी कर देगा, वो relationship के बारे में कुछ और बोल देगा, कोई क्या बोल देगा, and you know it starts getting dirtier and dirtier and dirtier, which it should not happen.
But now all is well, right?
Yeah.